Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Auto Service Express, and we're installing another unit for a customer, happy customer. You can see behind me, it's going up on the roof, with 4-ton to a 6-ton commercial package unit, also known as a rooftop unit. There he goes. There is the crane, a couple of work trucks, another work truck, another work truck. And they were lacking airflow in the front. The old unit had Freon leaks, 26 years old. Freon leaks, bad blower motor, wasn't working. And they wanted to upgrade to a new one. So they got a 7.5 ton package unit, also known as a rooftop unit. 2 compressors, dual speed or 2-speed system, high efficiency. Top of the line. They'll be very, very happy. They're happy with the first one, so that's why they called us back. So again, rooftop unit, commercial package unit. Look us up on the web, www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can find us on YouTube as well, ABC Austin Service Express. And we offer 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and 10-year financing also available. So call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.